Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean an USB port on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin! As you can see right here, I have my Samsung, and on the right I have semi-professional cleaning tools. Like they're not anything specific, they're not like premium, 50 bucks, whatever. I bought them for a couple bucks on the internet. Though you could easily, honestly, use toothbrush for purpose of cleaning your USB port. Obviously, the USB-C port can be located right here at the bottom of your screen, and really all you want to do is pick, let's say, this one, as the hair is pretty still. It sounds pretty good. And really all we have to do is just try and clean it however we like. We can just try to get it right in there and move it around, clean it if there's any mess, and do that again. Obviously, if you have something hard stuck in there, then this thing or the toothbrush or anything else won't do much for you. Then you probably want, as you can see, this one is really soft, so I doubt it will do anything. It looks pretty funny. You can clean the screen with it. If you have something specific and hard stuck right in there, I would definitely not advise you to use any kind of metal needles or anything like that, since metal can just easily damage your USB ports. Instead, I would advise you to use a toothpick, a wooden toothpick. I don't have one to show you, but we all know how a toothpick looks like, except normal toothpick still is too thick, so I would advise you to use the knife to sharpen the wood stick itself, and then use the wood stick to carefully clean without really touching the middle metal part inside the USB port, as if you're not careful, you can very easily damage your USB port. However, it is a good option if you don't have anything specific to... Oh, this one looks pretty good, though it is pretty short. The wooden toothpick is a really good option if you don't have anything, if you have something hard stuck inside it. But for anything soft like dust or ash or even sand, things like this, or as I said, even a toothbrush, work just fine. Obviously, do not get them wet, like they should be perfectly dry, no water, no toothbrush or anything, just the toothbrush, just the brush like this, or a simple sharpened wood stick, toothpick, sorry. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, and I hope you did, enjoy to like and subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.